Did YouTube just declare war on AI channels? That's the burning question. Since they updated their inauthentic content policy, creators are worried, and the panic is real. But what if I told you YouTube isn't killing AI content? It's killing lazy content. In this video, I'm cutting through the noise to show you what this policy actually means, what YouTube is cracking down on, and how you can use AI to build a stronger, more profitable channel than ever before. This isn't about survival, it's about seizing a huge opportunity. So why is everyone freaking out? The panic started when YouTube changed two words in its monetization rulebook. Repetitious content is now called inauthentic content. This change was a direct strike against the flood of low-effort, mass-produced videos we all know and hate. Think about those channels with a robot voice reading a Wikipedia article over random stock footage, or channels that churn out hundreds of nearly identical videos. This is where the fear crept in. Creators worried that using any AI for scripts, voiceovers, or art would put their channel on the chopping block and that years of work could vanish overnight. But that fear comes from a big misunderstanding. This isn't a war on AI. It's YouTube doubling down on a rule that's always existed: reward originality. The platform is just getting better at telling the difference between a tool and a crutch. Let's shatter the biggest myth right now. YouTube is not banning AI. In fact, they officially welcome creators using AI to enhance their storytelling. What they are banning is what the community has rightfully started calling AI. This brings us to the crucial difference between lazy AI content and AI-assisted craft. Lazy AI content is where you are just an operator. You prompt a script from an AI, have a generic robot voice read it, and paste it over a slideshow of AI images with zero creative editing. This is inauthentic because it's a template. There's no unique perspective, no personality, and no value. That is the mass-produced content YouTube is targeting. AI-assisted craft, on the other hand, is when you are the director and AI is your special effects team. You might use AI to generate incredible background visuals for a script you wrote and recorded. Or maybe you use a high-quality, consistent AI voice, but you pair it with deep research, sharp editing, and an original perspective that makes the video entirely your own. Here, AI serves your vision. It doesn't replace it. That distinction is everything. So how do you guarantee your channel stays monetized and thrives? It all comes down to three principles. First, deliver transformative value. This is non-negotiable. Your final video must be significantly transformed from its source material. You achieve this with sharp commentary, your unique sense of humor, deep analysis, or a high-energy editing style that makes your work stand out. Ask yourself, what human fingerprint am I leaving on this video that an algorithm can't replicate? If you have a powerful answer, you're golden. Second, be relentlessly human-centric. Your personality is the one thing AI can never truly copy. If possible, use your own voice. But if not, choose a high-quality AI voice and use it consistently, like a character, to build a distinct persona. More importantly, your human touch must be everywhere. In the clever writing, the editing choices, the branding, and the personal story you're telling. A viewer should feel a connection to the creator, not a machine. Third, be transparent. This is simple but vital. Since new tools were rolled out, YouTube requires you to disclose when realistic content is altered or synthetic. Using this label isn't just about following rules, it's about building trust. Viewers appreciate honesty, and being open about your tools is a sign of an authentic, confident creator. If you want to stay ahead of every YouTube update and master the strategies for building a future-proof channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. The landscape is always shifting, and I'll be here to guide you through it. Let's be clear, the message from YouTube is that AI is an incredibly powerful tool, but it is not a substitute for a creator. These rules aren't designed to punish you. They are designed to protect and elevate authentic, high-effort work. So instead of fearing AI, learn to master it. Use it to amplify your unique ideas and create content that's bigger and better than before. Focus on that transformative human touch and be honest with your audience. Stop trying to make more content. Start making better content. Do that, and you'll never have to worry about a policy update again. You won't just survive, you'll win. Because in this new YouTube era, creativity beats automation, AI isn't the enemy. It's the advantage for those who know how to use it. The difference between being replaced and being remembered starts with your effort. Don't copy the algorithm. Outsmart it with your originality. Every update YouTube makes is another chance to evolve, not to quit. Let AI handle the heavy lifting, while you focus on storytelling that moves people. Your authenticity is your currency. Spend it wisely. The future belongs to creators who merge tech with talent. So create boldly, innovate fearlessly, and let your voice rise above the noise.